without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Please note your bell ringer answer or the bell ringer corrections will be posted on the YouTube channel this afternoon. Well, actually, I'm going to try to get them posted here in just a minute. But today is Tuesday, April the 22nd. You do have homework today. It is a front and back page. It is front and back. So please make sure that you correct both or you complete, not correct, I didn't give you the answers, that you complete both the front and the back. So let's dive in and look at our Tuesday bell ringer. And it says, what number does the question mark represent on the number line? So here is the question mark, and this is 0. So I know if this is 1/4, what would the question mark be, Austin? It would be B, -1/4. Correct. Number 2, which expressions are a sum of two terms? Select all the correct answers. What is the difference in an expression and an equation? Okay, one I solve, one I don't. What in math tells you to solve something? Huh? There's an equal sign. So which one has an equal sign? An equation. An equation has an equal sign. An equation can be solved. An expression does not have an equal sign. Okay? So this one says, which expressions are a sum of two terms? So what are the key details that you need to know? A sum means what? Addition. And terms means what? It can be a coefficient and a variable, right? And how many are there? There are 2. So AC is a term. I'm adding, and 5x is a term. So does it meet those qualifications? Yes. Am I finding a sum in B? No. So does it qualify? No. C. Am I finding a sum? Yes. How many terms do I have?
3.
I have 3. So I have 1, 2, 3. So does it qualify? No, because it says 2 terms. So C does not qualify. D. What math practice am I using? Subtraction. So is that going to qualify? No, because I have to look for the sum. E. 2y plus 3z squared. Yes. I have addition, which means I'm going to find the sum. 2y is one term, and 3z squared is another term. Okay? Let's look at number 3. A high school basketball team won 52% of the games it played last year. They won exactly 13 games during the season. What is the total number of games played? So, here's is the total. How am I going to set this up? Chanston. What percent am I given? So I have 52%. And what is always that denominator? What is the whole percent? 100%. And it tells you that they won how many? 13. So that's the part, and you have to find the whole, right? So then I cross multiply. And then what do I do? Divide by what? I divide by 52 because remember, Good morning. Remember, I have an equation, and so I have to separate the variable. So I have to divide by 52, right? Which isolates that x. So C is the correct answer. Okay, so this one's not on there. If they won 13, how many did they lose? Emma? 12. Correct. So their record would have been 13-12. So would they have had a winning season?
Yes.
Yep. How do you know that?
Because they won more than they lost.
Right. They won more than they lost. Okay? Got it?